Okay, so welcome back again. I know there are many videos here already on YouTube about PikaLab, but in this video I'm going to go through some of the best things that you find only in PikaLab. So let's get in and check it out. So already, if you have an account access to that, you can see here is PikaLab, where you have the explore page where others are generating videos and available here. Here is my library, which all your videos that you generated will be appearing here. Now, just a while ago, I generated this video here. So we're gonna take a look at some of the best thing that PikaLab has, which is not the same in any other video text to video generator. So here you can see one of the things that I like about PikaLab is Retry. What it means is this is the first video that we generated, and we can retry 3 or 4 times again to pick the best out of this. So for example, if I click here again, you can see it's starting to retry this one again, and I can add another one again, I can add another one again. So you can see as many as 3 are running at the same time, so they're gonna generate this. So that's something good, or the best thing that I like about PikaLab. Okay, so you can see here already we have the other 3 videos being generated using the retry of the same prompt. But if you want to reprompt again, change the prompt, you can always do that. Another one that is unique in Pika is the edit button. So when you click on the edit button, you can see you have 2 options here: modify region and expand the canvas. So for the expand the canvas, you just select any of the aspect ratio here, and then you can generate to expand it to. For this next unique features about PikaLab is modify region. We're going to use a video. So let's click here to upload a video from here. Okay, so here we have a video that I just uploaded to, and here a person is walking, but we just want to change this to another different thing, not a person, but maybe we can change that to a car. So let's just type in the prompt here. So we change the person into the red car. That is when using the modify. So let's click on the generate button here, and that's something very unique about PikaLab. So you can either upload a video from your own that you have, a video here, or you can use any of them that you have already available here. Okay, you can see from here, this video here will just change the person walking into a car, which will just modify the region. So let's recap again the things that is not available in other text to video generator. You have the retry here, you have the reprompt, edit, and I think those are very big difference in any other video text to video generator. Thank you for watching.